Oster blender with texture select settings gives you a whole new level of control. Select the perfect blend with your desired consistency. Choose your texture from thick to medium to thin. The extra-wide blade system reverses direction for more consistent results. Control thickness. Whatever consistency you need, the Oster blender with texture select settings does it every time. Texture select settings.
The A2500 features 3 program settings to create your favorite smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, and then turn the blender off automatically. A new built-in digital timer displays how long your blend has been running, helping you achieve just the right texture every time. Add in variable speed control and pulse, and you can stretch your creativity with confidence. When it's time to wash up, the containers are self-cleaning and dishwasher safe. VITAMIX is the first to offer a complete system of containers with wireless connectivity. That means the machine reads each container and automatically adjusts blending times. So what are you waiting for? Grind, blend, create hot soups, frozen desserts, and more. Live a healthy life with flavor and gusto. The A2500 with a 10-year warranty, part of the Ascent series from VITAMIX.
Thanks for watching and I hope you liked the video. If you found the video helpful, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.